Well, here we go. Got another mail-in repair job in T. Mike's shop. Let's open her up. Says it's from Rob Russell from Pennsylvania. Rob from Pennsylvania. Judging from the size of the box, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a carburetor. And it is. It's 9.5. 9.5 carburetor. Sent me got a little note in here. Got a little check. That's always good. And the note says, T. Mike, I spoke to you on the phone. 1964 Evinrude Sport Twin 9.5. Model 9422R. Needs a carb rebuild. Thanks, Rob. And he put his address and phone number. So I'm all set up. I got my kit. I got my chem dip to drop it in. So let's take her apart and get her soaking. Let's get started. Okay, we got her in and soaking 45 minutes. Come back in an hour, 2 hours, pull her out, take out the carb kit, rebuild everything, including the float, all the gaskets. See you in an hour. Okay, it's been soaking over an hour now, so I'm gonna pull it out, dip it in my soapy water, blow it out with air, and I'm gonna rebuild it right here with the new carb kit. Let's get going. Okay, well there she is, all rebuilt and ready to go back to Rob Russell. So he told me he had trouble getting the slow speed needle valve to bottom out, and it wasn't screwed in properly when I rebuilt it. I got it bottomed out, and I got it out 1.5 turns, so it should be fine when he gets it back. All right, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the subscribe and like, and don't forget, save the hobby. Go down in the description and click on free motor giveaway to register for the Survivor number 2 giveaway coming up. Date to be announced. See y'all next video.